Hey guys, look what I got today. Oh yeah, got from the children's hospital. I tried it out. It's for Transformers Dark of the Moon. And as you can see, it has such great details of Optimus Prime. As you can see, we have something not seen a lot of times. We have a symbol. I don't think that's on him in the movie. I did see the movie, but I never saw it. I don't really know what this is for. It's probably just a detail. As you can see, has his face cover. It's actually really hard. It's pretty hard to bust up. I would never do that because it's a really awesome toy. I also have Transformers 3DS game, Stealth Force Edition, it's a very nice game. It's related. It's also Dark of the Moon. I'm the president fan of Transformers. And when you get this toy, this back thing is off, this thing, and then you gotta there's these two other pieces you gotta attach to it, and then you have it, then you slide it, push it forward, then it easily attaches. Excuse me. You have the speakers right up here, which is really nice. You have plastic for the eyes, and it's orange. That's okay, but and I just noticed these things. Oh, symbols. There's these symbols right here. Yeah, right here. Not on the other side though. Pretty fun. It's a pretty fun toy. You have this thing to talk into right here on the bottom right here. And here's the thing for your nose and eyes. You see through here. This band thing goes around your head. And here, I'm gonna wear it for you. He's ready to rock.
Seriously,
Making a video.
Autobots, incoming! Transform!
Abby, get out of the video. Sorry about that, guys. As you can see, I'm talking through the microphone. Sorry about that. What? Said you saw something. Huh? Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. I really do like this mask, and I think you should try it out. Get it at the store. But I got this from the children's hospital. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. May have not sounded like Peter Cullen, but close enough. I usually sound exactly like him. I just hear SpongeBob on. There's a lot of different phrases.
Stand with us and fight. Autobots, go get 'em. Incoming. Let's roll out. Bring it on. One shall stand, one shall fall. Autobots, let's roll out.
Sorry, I don't know phrases so much.
Incoming. Go
go.
One shall stand, one shall fall.
That's my favorite phrase from him. And here, I'll show the recording button. It's just like the Clone Trooper things, but if you just want Optimus Prime to say stuff, there's this switch, like, right here. Then you have it down. Then you just press.
Autobots, let's roll out. Incoming. Go get 'em.
And if you want to have it on record, like you kind of want to record, you don't really record your voice, but you sound like a robot. You switch the switch up. Then you press this bottom button right where my finger's on. Then you'll hear a little thing. Hello. As you can see, I put it in the middle, and in the middle it's off. Never knew that, because I just got it today. You have it all the way up here. Then you press the bottom button, then you'll hear something, and this is what you'll hear. You might have not heard that, but that's what you'll sound like. So let me put it on and talk. Oh wait, as you can see on the back, it covers your head a little bit. Anyway, just put it on. And as you can see, I sound like